Hello guys, I'm gonna make this video for you guys and I hope you like it. Please subscribe if you want to see other videos, maybe in the future. Also leave your comments too if you have anything to say for my video. Today I'm gonna talk about my griptilian that is making a weird noise. I got the H2O. It's making this weird noise. I don't know if you guys can hear. Once it's open, it stops the noise, but I don't know why it's making that noise when it's closed. I don't know if it's the spring or anything that is loose. Please let me know. It'll be awesome to hear from you guys. I think that's it. Oh, also I'm gonna show you guys my flashlight. This one is the Pelican 3610. I'm gonna turn the light. Thank you. Bye.